Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Nailsea today. Yeah, okay. Which order we do this in? Another clock. Notice anything unusual? I was talking to Mike Flight about going back in time, and then today spotted this clock. Spotted several clocks actually, so there are some clips at the end of this video showing you the stuff that caught my eye that I didn't buy, but I decided to buy this one. More than I like to pay, £5, but novelty value, and it apparently works, so I thought I'd go for it. So clock. I keep saying what turns up in charity shops is a complete random thing. These two. Solar display stands. £2 each. Again, more than I like to pay. But I thought, if they work, they'd be well worth having. Looks okay. Is that going to start moving? Yeah, it is just starting to move a tiny bit. I'd need to put something on it so you could see that it's moving. Let's give it a bit of help. I'm sure it started to move just then. Let's try the other one. Oh, they might have batteries in them, but they might. Nope, there's no battery in there, so that's all right. It's not a dead battery shorting it out. Ah, that one started now. Might have just had to build up a bit of charge before it started moving. And that one's going now. Wonder what sort of weight it can support. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, I think £2 each. Well worth it. Even if you just wanted to buy the little solar panels, you'd probably pay more than £2 for 4 of them. Oh yeah, happy with that. No problem. I certainly didn't expect to see them in a charity shop. So they can sit over there. Well, I suppose they might as well carry on moving around while I'm waffling. Okay, so that was them two. And then finally, this fella needs a bit of a clean. But if you've watched my recent videos, you'll know this is the second one in a series. The other one was a guitarist. Needs batteries in it, I think. Yeah, he's going to need his batteries changed. Is that just a matter of removing it? Oh, there you go. He didn't need his batteries changed. Yeah, there we go. Obviously I've started a theme here. Yeah. I'll go and see if I can find the other one so we can compare them. This is the one I already found. Completely different charity shop, different village or town. He plays a bit of guitar music as well. He doesn't stand up very well. In fact, not at all. Can I tilt him in a way that will make him stay? Just. Yeah, I don't remember the names. But, yeah, I'd never seen him before. Saw that one almost a month ago now. Didn't buy it because they wanted £2 for it. And then it was still there a couple of weeks later, so I did decide to buy it just for the novelty value. This one, Nailsea, that was in Yate. This was in Nailsea. And that was in the 50p box. So that was a bargain compared to £2 for that one. The button on the back is a random delay or 10-second delay or something. So you press that, leave him, and then after 10 seconds or so he should, yeah. And he's got one, where's his button? His button's up there. Yeah, something like a 10-second delay. Wonderful. I might as well carry on and see if I can find, I think there's two more. There's a girl and a dog. He's a skateboard guy or whatever. Can't think of his name. Can't remember his name either. But I'll put link in the video description or details in the video description. Of course. Should be able to stand on there, shouldn't they? Is it going to go? Might be a bit too heavy. No, he's going. But he just doesn't stand upright. That's pretty disappointing, that. No. Okay, you'll have to stay there for now. I'm pleased with those display things. That's brilliant. Okay, well there we go. That's 9.5 minutes of waffling. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, I'll upstairs. Be back down in a bit.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.